So guys, welcome in our YouTube channel PharmaVed, and today we are going to discuss about one more important point under a pharmaceutic first subject. The point is prescription. Generally the prescription point are divided total 3 sub points and 3 sub chapters like a definition and parts of prescription, handling of prescription, and which errors occurs in during handling of prescription in a medical shop. So the definition of a prescription is a written instruction for a medicine from a physician or registered medical practitioner. Okay, there is a link between the physician and the pharmacist when it comes to prescribing. फिजिशियन एंड फार्मासिस्ट इस दोनों के बीच में जो लिंक है उसे हम प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कहते हैं। जनरली जब हम हॉस्पिटल को विजिट करते हैं, पेशेंट एक हॉस्पिटल को विजिट करता है एंड देन फिजिशियन जो रिटर्न कर देता है डिटेल्स अबाउट मेडिसिन called as prescription. Okay, and the prescription is a link between physician and pharmacist. Okay, then prescription is a Latin word and that means a before writing. Okay, so guys, here a point is clear about a basic definition of a prescription. That means it is a indications and instruction from physician to pharmacist about treatment, about medicine regarding any disease. Okay, then next sub points, parts of prescription. Generally prescription are divided total 8 parts like prescription, office information, then second date, then third patient data, then fourth superscription, then inscription, then subscription, then signature, and the last is signature or register number or register stamp. So the prescription are divided total 8 parts or 8 topics. Okay, the first is physician office information. So guys, a physician office information, it include a name of doctor or a name of office, address with a phone number or email id of doctor और प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नंबर. ओके, जो डॉक्टर रिलेटेड और हॉस्पिटल रिलेटेड जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है, बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है, वो फर्स्ट टॉपिक में कवर हो जाता है. देन सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, डेट ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. द टॉप of the prescription should have the date. As a result, a pharmacist can quickly determine the date of prescription. Okay, जिस दिन हॉस्पिटल को पेशेंट विजिट करता है उस दिन जो डेट है वो डेट डालनी चाहिए फिजिशियन ने उस प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पर. ओके, सो सेकंड पॉइंट, डेट ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. देन थर्ड, पेशेंट डाटा. इन a prescription, patient data like a basic information like a patient name, patient age, gender, weight, blood group, etc. Okay, so patient data is very important for next visit or next appointment in a hospital. Then fourth, a part of prescription is also called as superscription. Okay, generally prescription पर एक symbol लिखा हुआ रहता है RX. Okay, the meaning of RX, that means to take. Okay, RX, that means to take. This symbol is a very essential in a prescription. Okay, जब prescription पर सिंबल नहीं होगा RX तो वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन और वो फिजिशियन वैलिड नहीं कहलाएगा. सो RX symbol, that means to take. The symbol is very important in a prescription. Okay, five number part of prescription, inscription. Okay, inscription, that means the inscription which is the most important portion of the prescription contain information about the drugs composition and dose. Okay, इन inscription part में information लिख जाती है by physician about drug, like patients are suffering from some stomach problem, so metrozole 500 mg is sufficient. Then patients are suffering with cold, so levocetirizine. Patients are suffering from some acidity, so omeprazole 20/40. इस ड्रग की इंफॉर्मेशन पेशेंट रिलेटेड और पेशेंट की तबीयत के रिलेटेड जो ड्रग इंफॉर्मेशन है वो लिखी जाती है इंस्क्रिप्शन पार्ट में. Then next part, superscription. That means in the prescription, superscription contain instruction for the pharmacist on how to produce a dose. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पैरासीटामोल है कि उसकी कितने टैबलेट फार्मासिस्ट पेशेंट को देगा और अदर कितने टैबलेट पेशेंट को देगा. डिटेल्स अबाउट tablets, details about any dose, okay, in superscription. And then 7 number part, signature. That means 3 times a day, 2 times a day, once a day, okay. जो हमको पेन किलर एडमिनिस्टर करनी है और अदर डोज है जो लेना है वो दिन में कितने टाइम लेनी चाहिए, कितने टाइम एडमिनिस्टर करनी चाहिए, उसकी डिटेल्स इंफॉर्मेशन सिग्नेचर इस पार्ट में आती है, ओके. So guys, I hope you understand about details part of a prescription. This is a flow diagram, parts of prescription. The first is date, then second is name, age, name of patient and other basic information of patient. Then third is superscription, that means RX symbol and the meaning is to take. Then 4 number is inscription, details information about drug. Then 5th number is superscription, how many tablet, how many dose for one patient. Then signature, the time of and days of the dose. Then 7 number is signature and the last is registration number, sign and stamp, okay. So thank you so much.